I want to talk about a friendship. And it's a very specific friendship, or it's about a specific person. And obviously, we people, we relate to each other in so many different ways. We have a certain way of being towards our parents, we have a certain way of being towards our cousins, to our teachers, to our work colleagues, to our bosses. But I want to talk about one of all of these relationships that are in my life. This friend is someone that I actually don't know very much about. When I think about it, I don't know a whole lot about this person. I know a lot about how that person and me function together, how we talk, what we can joke about. And in a way, that's sort of like, you know, what social media is also all about, because obviously there are people following this channel, or people following my Instagram and my Facebook, and some of these people, I know their usernames and I know a little bit about them from what they have told me in comments and stuff, but I mean, I don't know about their childhood or what some of their big interests are or what they love to do on a Tuesday. But with this specific friendship, and this is a person I don't see very often, but when we do see each other, there is something there that I've been trying to figure out as I was walking over to this place to film this, and I think it all comes down to respect. We respect each other, we support each other, we may joke a lot, but we also have each other's back. If one of us needs to talk about something that's beyond the jokes, something that's deeper, we can do that. And I think that the mutual respect in any form of relationship, be it friendship or a lover's relationship or whatever it may be, is so important. There's a balance there. I respect this person, that person respects me. And we all, of course, we have our faults, but we see through them. We accept each other, and that is a beautiful thing. And if you have people like that in your life, keep them in your life. Write to them, tell them, you mean a lot to me, thank you for being that person in my life, my friend or my lover or my relative or whatever relationship you have with that person. Let that person know. And I'm gonna go and tell that person right now just that. Good talk.